Hey, 420 investors, it's Alan. It's about 45 minutes before the close. Just wanted to do a quick update. Uh, Not a lot going on today except for this GWPH. Check it out. Just traded 29. Uh, that's one of the things I want to talk about. It just jumped as I was speaking. Uh, and we also have Grow Life, FPHOT, up today nicely. And I'm actually a little disappointed. I had hoped for a little bit better, but I just wanted to take some time. I don't have any fundamental updates today at all. Probably many of you are grateful for that. But I wanted to run through a couple of these charts real quick, just to kind of let you know what I'm thinking from a trading perspective. And I'm going to hit some of them, even the ones that we don't have trades on right now. I want to start with HEMP because I know that a lot of people are kind of trapped in this one, and I don't like it. I'm not going to get into the fundamental thing, like I said, but let's just look at the chart. I've warned people, and this, unfortunately, this isn't a great chart because it's the sub pennies don't show. But I just want to point out we're getting close to a level that I think, just a little bit lower. I'm predicting this thing goes below a penny. So it's at right now 1 3/4 penny bid at 1.8 cents, and I think there's some serious downside, and any sort of weakness here I'd be fading. Just a quick update on that one. But let's talk about some better things. Let's go to this GWPH real quick. And I still may put in a sell uh, in the next few minutes. And you'll see why. This is why I was going to show you. We were at about 28.50 or so, 28.35. It just jumped up. And so people have been asking me, yeah, I mean, it doesn't get much better than this, guys. We got in right here after this nice test that filled the gap, and here we are up more than 10% in a day or so. So what am I looking for an X? I told you guys somewhere between 29, that's right here, and 31, and that's about right here. So that's kind of the zone. We're really close. So I've done some math, and maybe we'll even have a webinar on this. I know a lot of you guys don't do technicals. Fibonacci is something that I pay a lot of attention to. Google it. It's FIBONACCI. I'm happy to give a little tutorial on it in the future, but basically, I'm looking at this as a move from 35 down to 24. Look, I even calculated it wrong. That's 11 points. So Fibonacci would tell you you could probably get anywhere from a 38% to a 62% roughly retracement. Right in the middle, that's 50% obviously. Well, if you take 24, this low right here, and you add 5.5, that's 29.50. So that's our 50% retracement. And that 38.2% retracement, you just go 11, enter 0.382 times, you get 4.2, you add that to 24. So we're already above that. That would be 28.20. So we just jumped up. The next stop, I'm seeing obviously this right here is resistance. So let's move to the next one. But just to give you a sense, this is a trading call, guys, not a fundamental call. I sniffed out I was actually kind of upset that we missed this big run, and I wanted a second chance at it, and this is some good money. So we'll keep doing that kind of thing when the opportunity comes up. MJNA, I think it's looking pretty good, guys. It's holding in. It's not exciting. I wanted to go to the daily. We've seen this chart over and over. It's the same thing. Spike, pullback, spike, pullback. But notice we're getting, and I drew this little line that's kind of connecting the lows. So, again, this could break down. This is, it's a risky stock, but I think it looks pretty good. So, I'm looking for maybe 18, 19. You kind of see these highs right here would be in that 18, 19. I reserve the right to go before then, or hold on later. We'll see what kind of news we get, what kind of action we get. A longer term chart. This thing's really come down a lot since February. This is a stupid price. It's not going back up there for a while. But can this thing regain this 20 area? I think so. I mean, everybody knows the last quarter wasn't very good. Running out of time. MSIG, just for the last one, I want to show you. Looking for somewhere in this 6 to 9 zone. A lot of people are long it down at 3 cents. So they're not gonna. They'll